So here I'm cutting the chicken in half and seasoning it inside and out. This is where I'm seasoning it. And now I'm frying my chicken in the pan. While the chicken is frying, cut up some carrots and put them in your bowl up top. And to flip. And now we let the other side sit. While that's cooking, get your green bell, pepper, and cut it up. And put them in the bowl. Then you chop up your onions. Then we take the chicken off the stove so it doesn't burn. Then you take them all up and add them to your bowl full of chopped up green bell, peppers, and carrots. Then you grab a tomato and chop it up too. You're gonna save the tomatoes for later though, and dump your vegetables into the pan. You have to let them sit and fry though. But don't forget to add your tomatoes. Add some seasoning. Mix it around. and have it fry. And when you add all your ingredients together, it should look like this. Now I would just like to thank you all for watching this video. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, share this, and click on the notification button. And when you hit the bell button, you will be notified every time I upload a video. Now it's time to enjoy such a wonderful meal. It's so delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.